Professor Vasupal, with a professor of economics with 30 years of experience, former vice principal, former head of department, and Dr. Ratna Vasupal, a medical doctor practicing in India, owning her own nursing home. I am a secretary. Being the top cream of the society, let me ask you, Professor, what motivated both of you to quit your mainline jobs and to do DXN as a full-time business?
As a teacher in economics, I have been interested in looking into the marketing aspects of various companies. I know that traditional marketing system is the existing business of market, and network marketing is an improvement over the traditional marketing system.
Yeah.
And in fact, today network marketing is an extension of direct selling. And I found that there is a great opportunity for direct selling industry and network marketing business. Before I would retire, I thought that I must create enough security as well as residual income to me and my family. And I have been in search of a good product and a good company, long-standing company, and the legal and ethical and moral network marketing company. And I zeroed down to DXN because of its inherent strength and quality of the product.
So, how many years you have associated with DXN?
In fact, we launched DXN India in 2000 April. Me and my wife have started DXN India and its operation in India. And last 8 years, we have developed our network not only all over India, and our routes have gone today to more than 40 countries, and United Arab Emirates and other GCC countries are one of the strongest routes of our network in DXN world.
Let me ask you, Professor, how many members are there under you?
It is amazing.
Okay.
I am very proud to say that we have more than 1.3 million members of DXN under us. And today we have lost the count of number of diamonds. I am sure that all over the world from our route we have more than 1,500 diamonds. And definitely thousands of people have got financial freedom through this wonderful business and through DXN.
Yes, Dr. Ratna, being a medical doctor, it's hard to quit a high premium job, but still you have decided DXN as your full-time job. Why, doctor?
Yeah, I'm as an allopathy doctor, physician practicing with a 20-bedded nursing home for the last 35 years. So a good day came in my life where I can turn from illness to wellness.
Okay.
Because I always see patients suffering and they come only when the suffering starts. So God has given me this Ganoderma through DXN products to see that we can prevent most of the disorders and health problems and see people healthy, because health is a real wealth and a healthy life is a happiness. So that's why I took the decision to change from my noble profession of medicine to noble and royal profession of this DXN.
Yes.
And thanks to Dr. Lim Sayojin for introducing DXN to India, and to my doctor classmate from Malaysia who sponsored me. After 25 years he came to me and requested me, you are an allopathy doctor, I know, scientific evidence based medicine, it is hard to convince you, but you believe me, you shift your business from illness to wellness and do good to the people. I thought it is really good, and slowly now I have closed down my hospital. I am thinking 24 hours is not enough for me to do DXN wellness business, because it is the future of the world is in wellness industry. The future of the network marketing is with wellness products, and I thank God for having shown me this way. I am really very happy to tell this and assist my husband in giving seminars seminars about health, because the two sides of the coin of this industry, one is health, the products, and another one is wealth, the economics. So God made us the right combination, and this is the time we should put our energy into this to see that the society becomes healthier, and to enjoy that health they will have more wealth also. Thereby they accumulate the happiness in the family.
Coming to Professor, for the past 8 years, you are associated with DXN in India. India is famous for the number of network marketing companies entering into. What basic factor motivated you to stick on with DXN only?
You know, India's history in direct selling is hardly 15 years. And most of the companies started coming in mid 90s and late 90s. Today we have more than 14 companies in the Indian Direct Selling Association who are the members, though there are large number of other companies who have come directly related to direct selling or network marketing. Unfortunately, this industry is abused by a lot of pyramids and money circulation and schemes. It will go a long time for the people to have the confidence on this industry and enter this industry in large number to accept it as a serious business. But so far as I am concerned, I took this business very seriously. Because of that, I could leave my job of 30,000 rupees salary within a year. I can tell you what I earned in 30 years in my job, I could amass it in just 1 year from my network business. So that I got my financial freedom. Today, my work is a mission. It is a mission, both health and wealth. We know that lot of lives depend on this industry today in India. India is not just a country, it is a continent. We have a huge population of the world. We are nearing 1.2 billion people. With 1.2 billion people, and large number of them are middle class, and every day there is a growing middle class. India is the destination for any business for that matter. So far as network marketing is concerned, India is going to have a very great future, because it is just a beginning. This business has not yet started in India. I am sure that it will take long time to get started. And in the coming years, I am sure that India is going to lead in the direct selling industry because of our lot of middle class and upper middle class and huge population who is looking for opportunity. People who do not have employment, that is unemployed category, one thing. Secondly, the people who look for additional income. Everybody is looking for additional source of income and doing something part-time. Those who think on these lines, doing something part-time and additional source of income, I don't think there can be any better sector than direct selling. That is one of the reasons why India can be a huge opportunity. Those who think of building a big business in network marketing. I am sure that so far as DXN is concerned, we have built a huge network. DXN is going to have a great future, and we are going to show a great turnover. And my vision so far as DXN is concerned, to make it a #1 direct selling company in the world. That's my dream.
Okay. So thank you, Professor Vasubal, and thank you, Dr. Ratna, for being a part of this event.
Thank you, Mr. Salim. Thank you, the organizers, and thank you everybody in Dubai.